What is the one word for, have an appetite or great desire for? The correct answer is crave. What is the one word for, a binding commitment to do or give or refrain from something? The correct answer is pledge. What is the one word for, elevation above sea level or above the Earth's surface? The correct answer is altitude. What is the one word for, concerned with principles of right and wrong? The correct answer is moral. What is the one word for, remove, usually with some force or effort? The correct answer is extract. What is the one word for, reckless or malicious behavior causing annoyance in others? The correct answer is mischief. What is the one word for, of high quality or performance? The correct answer is superior. What is the one word for, done or made using whatever is available? The correct answer is makeshift. What is the one word for, characterized by enmity or ill will? The correct answer is hostile. What is the one word for, breaking of hard tissue such as bone? The correct answer is fracture. What is the one word for, put to use? The correct answer is exert. What is the one word for, a strong wind moving 34 to 40 knots? The correct answer is gale. What is the one word for, prevent from being seen or discovered? The correct answer is conceal. What is the one word for, give up power, duties, or obligations? The correct answer is abdicate. What is the one word for, activity characterized by good humor? The correct answer is jest. What is the one word for, a feeling of extreme joy? The correct answer is jubilation. What is the one word for, change into stone? The correct answer is petrify. What is the one word for, a state in which all hope is lost or absent? The correct answer is despair. What is the one word for, reduced to liquid form by heating? The correct answer is molten. What is the one word for, the gathering of a ripened crop? The correct answer is harvest.